Hi lovelies. So today I am going to be setting up my recording studio room, whatever you want to call it. So most of this video will just be watching me and I'll be explaining some of the stuff that I'm using. So I'm going to show you the space. I'm recording with my front camera just to make it easier. There's a lot of stuff in here. I finally got a new camera, so I'm super excited about that. It is the Canon EOS M3. So yeah, we pretty much use this room as storage. So I am going to just give myself a corner, I'm gonna just give myself an area. So this is the room when you walk in. This stuff was kind of all over here, but I'm going to pretty much just give myself from like here and around the desk, And a lot of these decorations were up from brows. I do plan on starting brows back soon. So the small decorations are great. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the stuff that I got right here. Ooh, okay. I just have the like hanging vines. I haven't taken them out of the plastic yet, but just little like greenery, and I'm thinking of putting that here in the middle, like coming down here, kind of just like a backdrop right behind me. That also came with some lights. So I'm gonna have the fairy lights. Then I also have some white curtains that I'm gonna put up. And then I'm kind of just gonna organize and clean up the space. Maybe, I don't know, put some more stuff back here, another shelf. But this is really the focal point right here that'll be right behind me. And then of course we're gonna start using this baby right here. I got it used from Amazon. It came with the lens, the body, the batteries, of course. And I am already in love. I'm super excited about it. I still gotta, get the hang of, how to even really use it. This is my first time ever buying a camera. So yeah, I'm super excited. So I'm just gonna have you guys watch. I'll probably be doing this between today and tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to get the hanging part and the cleaning up process done today. So I'll check back in with you guys when I'm done. Bye. All right, so this is the setup that the camera would see. It will see kind of more of this right here. Here is my camera. I have the newer 18-inch dimmer ring light, so it can go that bright. And it also comes with these covers that you can use to change the color and make the light a lot warmer. So of course I have the brighter one. And then I also have this light right here. I can't remember the brand. I think it was like, or the brand, I think it was like Light Row, but it also can be dimmed. And it also comes with these sliders. Hold on. Trying to do this with one hand. It also comes with these sliders to change the color payoff too. I think it came with purple and like a warmer tone too. So I use that one, this light on this side, just to break the shadow that can sometimes be like right here, how dark it is on that side. So I turn that light, angle it this way so that it breaks the shadow going this way, because this ring light's so bright that it kind of breaks the shadow on this side too. So here is my camera. Are we on? Okay. Oh, okay, it's using the target device, so let me turn that off. Just show you the camera really quick. And then I'll explain what this is right here that it's talking about. Okay, so here is my camera right here. And it has the viewfinder, just like that. So I have my mic, and then I also have a mirror right here just so I can see myself before, you know, I start filming, just to make sure that, you know, I'm centered and everything's right. So now I'm going to explain this. This is kind of like a secondary monitor. So pretty much I set it up on my camera first, and it uses my camera's, or it uses my house Wi-Fi or the camera's Wi-Fi, because it has its own, to pretty much transfer to my iPad or to your computer or whatever device you choose to set it up with. So it'll connect, and then it'll say remote live shooting, and it'll show you what my camera is seeing. So this is what my camera's seeing. So before I start recording, I'll set it up, and I'll just come sit so that I can make sure that I'm, like right now, of course I would need to bring it a lot closer. So I'll just stop here and make sure. There is a way where I can control all of that from here, and I'll be able to get it to zoom in, get it to start shooting from here, but I haven't figured that part out. I can get it to take pictures, and my camera will take the picture for me, but I haven't figured out how to make it record yet. I don't know if my camera has the ability to do that yet. So what I'll do, this is pretty much what I see. I have another mirror right here, and then that one, and then the lighting. And I just kind of have this black cover just so that all the stuff that's back there isn't so distracting. So of course I need to zoom in a little bit. So I'm gonna set my phone up. Can we do that? I'm not gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna set my phone up, and I'm going to go try to show you. I don't think I'll be able to. Let's see. Probably can use this box back here. Set my phone up and show you how I try to fix the zoom stuff. Oh, jeez. Okay, cool. So I'll slide this right here so that you'll be able to see, like, or no, I'm gonna turn this around towards me. And then that way I'll be able to see how close or not so close I need to become. Maybe I should put the camera. Okay, perfect. So now it's zoomed in closer, like on my face, and it looks a lot better. So I'll be able to see like what my camera is seeing versus having to get it up, film a clip, and then it's not working. This does kind of lag a little bit, but like I said, its purpose is to show me where I'm positioned at when I start filming. So it does what it's supposed to do. So this is pretty much it. Like, this is my whole setup. I'll probably get like some desk trinkets or something. I got this little light box from, I think, TJ Maxx, and it lights up, but it doesn't really pan that well on camera, so I just keep it off. Of course, I said I got these from Amazon. All of the little shelves, I think my mom got those from Dollar Tree like some years ago, so I'm really not sure where exactly she got those from. That laugh sign I've had for some years now. All of these plants I got from Hobby Lobby, as well as the Like a Boss and the Stay Humble sign I got from Hobby Lobby. This shelf right here, or storage bin, I got from IKEA, and my desk I got from Goodwill. I think I paid 20 bucks. So I'm just gonna give you guys a full pan of everything. All right, guys, so thank you once again for being here with me today. I am super happy that I was able to create a space that was aesthetically pleasing, you know, especially in the climate with everything that's going on. I think that everything that we do should have a purpose and reason behind it, and creating a space where I can come sit and know that this is the goal and this is what I should be focusing on versus any distractions in my room is super important to me. So I'm super happy that I was able to do this for you all and show you. Of course, all of these pieces back here we can find for under $100. The most priciest piece, of course, is the camera and my ring light. But I found my ring light on sale on Amazon for $90. In the description box, I will put the link plus the coupon code. So hopefully by the time you're seeing this video, it's still on sale. So yeah, once again, thank you. Super excited to start producing great stuff here, and yeah, I'm gonna change that for next time. I'm really happy to be on this journey and on this ride with everyone. I thank you for your support, your suggestions. I'm honored that I am on the list of people that you want to watch and see and grow. So I appreciate that with all my heart. And yeah, you know, let's get this ball rolling, all right? So I'll see you soon. Oh, wait. This passion twist tutorial. So if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, it'll be in the bio. But if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I posted or hinted that this video was coming next. Y'all, I filmed the whole thing and lost all the footage. So of course, I'm really distraught about it. However, this style only took 2 hours, so I'm gonna bring it back. Like, I have to, because that's just how simple, quick, and it's so light, super light. I don't want to move it too much because my edge is not done. So yeah, I can't wait to bring that video I was super excited about, so I can't just let it die. Like, I have to bring it. So yeah, I thank you all for being here and for watching me piece this space together, and I can't wait to see you all soon. All right, bye.